Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Speed of 100 WPM. Sanitary workers' right. Religious discrimination in Pakistan has many faces, and one of its most troubling manifestations is the virtual institutionalization of bigotry that looks upon non-Muslim as lesser beings para. This is most evident in jobs related to garbage disposal, sanitations and sewerage management that many Muslim citizens considered to be beneath their dignity and that are left for minority communities to take up para. At least 80% of the country's sanitation workforce comprises non-Muslim, mainly members of the Christian community para. In this content, the decision taken by the National Human Rights Commission of Pakistan to raise awareness about the issue is a step in the right direction para. That the Commission also intends to file a suit against the government for the use of discriminatory language in advertising jobs in the sanitation sector is also a sign that the NCHR is serious about tackling this issue para. Job advertisements by the government in this sector often ask non-Muslim to apply, although it goes against the spirit of the Constitution and international human rights conventions, non-Muslim sanitary workers are already subjected to the unleashed form of social and religious discrimination. They are further exploited financially para. Most remain underpaid and overworked, and perform their job without being given proper equipment or attire, they often have to climb inside large sewage pipes to clean facial sludge with their bare hands at considerable risk to their lives para. Only in October last year, 2 young sanitary workers died in Karachi while 2 others perished in Sargodha when they inhaled toxic fumes as they worked to unclog the underground sewerage line para. According to NCHR, between 2011 and 2021, more than 65% of sanitary workers who died while unclogging gutters belonged to minority communities para. The service remained unseen and unheard for too long para. One hopes that the initiative taken by the NCHR is able to bring about a positive change in the lives of those who toil hard to keep this country clean. Full stop.